Hey, my name is Dr. Wyrick, and I am so excited that you're interested in this autoimmune seminar that we're going to be putting on. Now, if you're looking for answers, real answers for those immune system problems that you have, I promise you at this seminar we are going to over-deliver. We get rave reviews about our seminars because the information that we give people can take that to heart. We give them things that they can take action on so they can get things started and get things going in the right direction in positive manner right away. So some of the things that we have seen, some of the things that we've helped people with include thyroid problems, neuropathy problems, diabetes, rheumatoid arthritis, osteoarthritis, lupus, multiple sclerosis, irritable bowel syndrome, the list goes on and on. We even get into some of those problems where there really is no name for what's happening to those people, and 9 times out of 10 it's the immune system turned against them and causing them the problems that they're having. So we're going to get to the root of what's actually causing those problems. Now I know on your end it's a very frustrating process because you go to the doctor, you get the blood test, they tell you what the problem is, but then their only answer is either immunosuppressing drugs or steroids, and we know what the side effects are for those. So we want to teach you how to do this in such a way that those drugs oftentimes become unnecessary. So that's what we're going to cover at this seminar. Again, I'm super excited that you're showing some interest. We're excited to meet you. We're excited to help you get going in the right direction. So we'll see you at the seminar. We're going to share this information with you. Okay, so if you'll just click on the link below, it'll get you registered, and we'll see you here in the office. Thank you.